Dropshipping, kumita ng 60,000 to 100,000. Retailing, wholesaling, kumikita ng 50 to 450,000. Or may mga tao na kumikita talaga ng million per month by doing this business. Well, to be honest, nangyayari siya. Pero ang hindi nakikita ng maraming tao is kung ano yung pinagdaanan nila bago nila nakuha yon. So hi everyone, this is Coach KM Pinos. And sa lahat ng mga followers ko and car enthusiasts, hello sa inyong lahat. Many are asking me, Coach, what is the hardest part of being a coach? Many people would think it's the training. Many people will think it's how I share my knowledge. Pero to be honest, hindi. One of the hardest part of being a coach is yung part na naririnig ko yung mga storya ng mga iba't ibang tao sa iba't ibang mundo. Kanina lang kausap ko, seaman for 12 years, nasa Singapore siya ngayon. Habang